Alright folks, in this video here we're going to talk about how do we do subtraction of fraction consecutively. When I say consecutively, it means that you have two numbers, 1, 2, being subtracted from one mixed fraction at the same time. First, always find the LCM. So for question number 1 on page 56, we have the number as 236. The LCM for 236 is pretty easy, 6. First step is that we find a new numerator based on the denominator change. So the new numerator is going to be 3 because 1 over 2 to 3 over 6. Then we find out that this 3 is too small because this 4 is bigger than the 3. How do we do that? Do we borrow everything from the 2? No, we don't. We just borrow 1. So now 2, 3 over 6 becomes 1, 9 over 6. Now I have enough number as a 9 to subtract the 4 and also subtract the 1. So keep the 1 as it is, keep the denominator as 6, and you have 9 minus 4 minus 1, which you get 4. Last but not least, you reduce, have 1, 2 over 3. Okay? So this is how you do this question. Let's try question number 4. Same thing, 2, 3, 9. Our LCM should be 18. Let's write the LCM for the first one. 2, 18, 14 minus 18, 9 minus 18, 12. So as you can see that the 9 and the 12, when they're actually bigger than the 14. So what do I do over here is I borrow 1 from the 2 over here. So this becomes 1. When I borrow, this becomes 18 here. And then it becomes 32 on the top. How do I get 32 one more time? Is the 1 comes from the 2, multiplied by the 18, plus the 14. So 1 multiplied by 18 plus the 14, which gives you 32. All right, so let's go back. Minus 9 over 18 minus 12 over 18. Now, 32 minus 9 minus 2, this will give you 11. So your final answer should be 1, 11, 18. If you still don't know how to get the 11, we can do 32 minus 9 first, which will give you 23. And then you use 23 minus 12 again, that will give you the 11. Okay? All right, so let's work on page number 56B. We're going to do question number 5 and 8 together. All right, number 1, 3, 1. So we see that whole number is 3 here, and this is 1 over here. The LCM for 2, 4, 5 should be 20. All right, now this becomes 3, 20, 10 over 20, minus 1, 20, 15, minus 28. Now all we need to do is that we're going to borrow from the 3 because we see that the 10 is too small. And this is 15, this is 8. 15 plus 8, it's 23. So this is too big than the 10. All right, when we borrow the 1 from the 3, this becomes 2. And this will be 2, 30 over 20, minus 1, 15 over 20, minus 8 over 20. The 30 should be able to cover the 15 and 8. So now, make sure that you also subtract the whole number on the side too. So 2, subtract 1, and there's nothing here, right? So 2 subtract 1 is 1. So our whole number is 1. Keep the denominator as 20. 30 minus 15 minus 8 is 7. So my answer is 1, 7 over 20. All right, last question, number 8. 6, 3, 2, LCM 6. Pretty easy for this one. We won't have to change the first one. So this becomes 1, 4 over 6 minus 1, 3 over 6. Now, borrow from the 3 on the side. This becomes 2, 11 over 6 minus 1, 4 over 6 minus 1, 3 over 6. And then 2 minus 1 is nothing. So we don't have any whole number left. But 11 minus 4 minus 3, it will be 4. So it will be 4 over 6. The answer will be 2 over 3. So one more time. Just go through this one more time. 6 is our denominator, LCM. We're going to change the top number into 4, 11, 4, 3. The way how we get our 11 is from the 3 minus the 1 to get the 2 because you borrow from the 3, right? You borrow one number from the 3. Now, the 1 times the 6 plus the 5 will give you the 11. And use the 11, subtract the 4, give you the 7. 7 minus 3 will give you the 4. That's how you get the number 4. The 6 remains the same. How come there's no number here? Because 2 already minus the 1, already minus the 1 here, 2 becomes 0. So last answer will be 2 over 3. Done. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Let me know if you have more questions. See you guys in the next video.